How's it going, guys? And welcome back to an episode of Life Made Easy. And today, guys, I thought I'd bring you a pretty funny video on a topic that has come up, and it's on. I made a video about this earlier, but it's on the amount of hate I've gotten on this video about an action camera I purchased a while back. So for those wondering what the whole context of this is, it was basically I bought this camera. It turned out to not be very good. And I did a review on it on my channel, and I titled it "Why the COOAU, I don't know how to say that, but 4K 20 megapixel Wi-Fi action camera is terrible." So people didn't like that title. Apparently, they thought it was a bit too harsh, and so I received an absolute ton of I don't want to watch my own ad. Oh, look at this! Shop Life Made Easy merch now available, guys. Go check it out. Hit that plug. So yeah, I received a ton of bash slack on this, like absolute ton of bash slack. Video terrible, not the action camera. This video's garbage. Blah blah blah. All these people are like wasting my time. And so like, here's the thing. Before using this camera, I used my phone to film. Let me show all these haters down here. Look at this guy, fat man pedaling, edited. Had to edit it because apparently couldn't type it out correctly the first time. Unsubscribe from this garbage. Life made easier. Unsubscribe. Yeah. This guy doesn't know what he's talking about. Okay, so here's the thing. I used my phone to record, which was 1080p 60 FPS. So I was coming from a decent quality video production standpoint, so I had pretty good footage. I wanted an improvement, obviously. Wanted a boost up in image quality, so I wanted to get my own dedicated camera and not a cell phone camera, because obviously point and shoot video camera is going to be better than most cell phones. I say most because some are better than others. It can go either way. So I purchased an action camera, stupidly purchased an action camera thinking it was going to replace my phone for better image quality, and it's not. Obviously, anyone can know that by now, and I've realized that. I made a mistake of buying that. I got it, had really lousy image quality, and people say like, oh, okay, let me just skip through this ad. People say, oh, you didn't show any evidence of the actual camera, but most people just clicked off the video because they got so triggered by it. I did show evidence of the camera right here at the end of the video, but people are too stupid and they actually clicked off the video saying I didn't show anything. Yeah, really? What's this? Yeah, so I showed it here. As you can see, dark around the edges, and I even point that out. It just looks lousy overall, and I didn't like it. The screen was bad, and the video was shaky, and people just didn't agree with my opinion, which is completely fine. But here's the issue. Half these people don't even own the camera who are commenting this stuff. They're saying my review is trash, and basically my opinion doesn't matter, because, I don't know why, because they just want to go on YouTube, and they just want to find all these people promoting this product, obviously, because, oh, let's go on Amazon. Okay, guys. So if you go on Amazon and you check out this microphone, it's got great reviews. It's got almost 5 stars. It's like Amazon's choice for an action camera, which is understandable because it is a good price. It's only like $59.99, and it can do 4K 30 FPS. So all these people is giving it great reviews, and I'm the one person, obviously, who says it's garbage. And people don't like that. They look at the reviews on Amazon, they look at my video, and they say, this kid's wrong, because the majority have a certain opinion about this, which is fine. Everyone has the right to their opinion. But in my experience, this was not a good camera. I'm going to be objective about it. In no way I was paid to promote this product or anything like that. This was my own money spent on this product. I used it extensively, filmed a lot with it. Obviously, I didn't show you every single piece of footage I filmed. I tested out the mic, tested a lot of the accessories on it, and it just did not work as a proper camera for my setup. So I used it extensively. The screen was bad, the video quality was bad, the photo quality was bad. It was kind of annoying having to transferring the micro SD card every single time. Didn't have a touch screen. The screen was too small, and it was hard to navigate settings.
with the buttons, not rather than having a touch screens. But if you have a small budget, then yeah, go for this camera. But if you've used better quality cameras on smartphones, on DSLRs, do not buy this. This is not worth it. If you want a real good action camera, go buy a affordable GoPro. The new GoPros shoot amazing footage. I've seen it on YouTube plenty of times in person. And yeah, that's going to be it for this video, guys. I do not recommend this product. I was never paid to promote this product. This is something that I feel is just not a good product. And if you want to dislike this video, you can. It's fine with me. If you agree with me, you can like it and subscribe, turn notifications, do all that good stuff. If you want to become a member of Life Made Easy, just hit that join button down below as well. You can get offers to exclusive perks and stuff like that. So yeah, guys, thank you so much. Go check out my second channel, Gaming Made Easy, if you guys want to watch me live stream some video games. Going to be doing a live reaction to the new Modern Warfare trailer that came out. That's going to be awesome. And so yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe, turn on notifications. See you then.